Hi there. Do you want to add a follow button to your Facebook profile? Then this video is for you. Welcome to Learn with Hassan, and before we start, let's check our profile and see how it is set defaultly. So let's come here and go to our profile and view as a visitor and see. Now you can see that our profile is set to add friend. So anyone viewing our profile, this is how the person is going to see our profile to be. So the person tap on it and the person's friend request is sent to us. So to change this to a follow button, this is what we do. Let's go to this horizontal lines here. Let's tap on it and scroll down to settings and privacy. Let's tap on it and tap on settings. Then let's scroll down and let's find how people find and contact you. Let's tap on it. Then you'll be greeted with this window with a whole lot of options here. We'll go for the first one. Let's tap on it and you can see that it is set to everyone. That is the default settings for it. Who can send you friend requests. Now we need to change this to friends of friends. So let's tap on it. Now we have set it to friends of friends. So let's go back. Let's go back again. Let's go back again and let's go for our profile. Let's tap on the profile picture and then go to this option to view our profile as a visitor. Now let's go to view as. Now you can see that the follow button has been added to our profile here. So this is how you set a follow button, or you enable a follow button to your Facebook profile. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, as well share and like the video, and leave whatever comments you have at the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Until we meet again, bye bye.